everyone, my name is Rachel Washburn and welcome to a video tutorial for clipping coupons using the Kroger app. In this video, I will provide a brief description of all the things you can do on the Kroger app. Then, I will provide step-by-step instructions for downloading the Kroger app on your device, creating a Kroger account, identifying your local grocery store on the app, viewing the weekly ad, clipping coupons and applying those coupons at checkout, finding your alt ID number to use at checkout, and creating a shopping list using the Kroger app. The Kroger app can be used for any Kroger family grocery store, including Soopers, Ralph's, Fred Meyer, City Market, Smith's, Baker's, Foods Co., Fry's, Mariano's, QFC, Metro Market, JC, Gerb's, Food for Less, Payless supermarkets, and Pick and Save. There is a lot covered in this video, so if you would like a written document of all the content, tap on the link in the description below. Tapping on the link will bring you to the Tech Skills website created by Colorado State University's Center for Healthy Aging, where you can view the written guide as well as other video tutorials. Before we get into the video, I want to clarify that Kroger did not pay us to make a video using their app, nor did any of the products shown in this video. We make these videos to support older adults who are interested in learning more about their smartphones and tablets. So, what can you do on the Kroger app? You can apply coupons to your purchase at Kroger family stores on the app. You can also order grocery, delivery, and pickup. We won't cover this in the video today, but I will point it out in a few slides. You can view the weekly ad to see what products are on sale. You can also view your past purchases, receipts, and fuel point balance for gas on the app. You can also create shopping lists and see items available at your local grocery store. You can view how much of these items cost and what aisle they are located in. You can also order prescriptions through the app for pickup at the store. Ordering prescriptions is not included in today's video either. Now, I will provide some step-by-step instructions. First, let's take a look at how to download the Kroger app. Starting on the home screen, we first need to tap on an app that allows us to download other apps. This app is called the App Store on iPhones and iPads. On Android phones, such as Samsung and Google Pixel, this app is called Google Play. Upon opening the App Store or Google Play, tap on the search icon. On the App Store, the search icon is located at the bottom right corner. On Google Play, the search bar is located at the top of the screen. Next, tap on the search text box located at the top of the screen and type in the word Kroger using the keyboard. Then, tap the search or enter key at the bottom right corner of the keyboard. Next, locate the app for Kroger. Adjacent to the Kroger app, tap on the download icon. The download icon may look different depending on your device. It may have a downward arrow with a cloud behind it or have a box that says Get or Download. If you do not see the Kroger app on your device, scroll down by dragging a finger from the middle to the top of the screen. Next, I will provide some instructions for creating a Kroger account. Note that if you already have a physical shopper's card, you will still need to create a Kroger account. If you already have a Kroger online account, I will show you how to sign in shortly. Starting from the home screen, tap on the Kroger app icon. If you do not see the Kroger app on the home screen, drag a finger horizontally across the screen to view different pages of the home screen. Then tap on the blue Create Account button. Then tap on Enter Your Postal Code. Then type in your zip or postal code and then tap the blue Save and Continue button. Next, tap on the text box under First Name to display the keyboard. Then type in your name. Do the same for last name. Then tap on the box under Email to display the keyboard. Then type in your email. Do the same for password to create a new password. Then tap on the text box under Plus Card or Alt ID to display the keyboard. Then type in your Plus Card number or Alt ID number. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap the circle to the right of I agree to Kroger's terms and conditions. Your Alt ID number is usually your phone number. If you do not know your Plus Card number, or if for some reason Kroger will not allow you to create an account with the phone number you put, you can leave this blank. If Kroger did not allow you to make an account with the phone number you typed in, you might already have an account. If you're continuing to have trouble at this step, leave it blank, and I will show you an alternate method to using your Alt ID number to apply your coupons at checkout. I will explain this with greater depth later in the video. Finally, tap on Create Account to finish creating a Kroger account. After you create a Kroger account, the app may ask you to verify your phone number. Next, we will learn how to sign in on the Kroger app if you already have an account. First, on the home screen, tap on the Kroger app icon. Tap on the text box under email address to display the keyboard. Then type in your email address associated with your Kroger account. Then tap on the text box under password to display the keyboard. Then type in your password. Then tap on the sign in button. Next, I will provide a few diagrams to familiarize yourself with the main features of the Kroger app. This will help with navigating the app easily and quickly as you do different things. This is a picture of the homepage of the Kroger app. Starting at the top left corner of the screen, we have an icon of a car and a store. This is used to select your grocery store and state whether you are looking to shop in-store, order grocery pickup, or grocery delivery. Moving on to the top right corner of the screen, we have the menu icon, which is characterized by 3 horizontally stacked lines. This icon allows you to view information related to your account, rewards, add prescriptions, schedule vaccine appointments, add gift cards, and fill out survey receipts. Another major thing to know about the home screen of the Kroger app is that you can scroll vertically to view deals and sales. You can scroll vertically by dragging a finger from the middle to the top of the screen. Let's look at a few more things on the homepage of the Kroger app. This is the same picture as seen in the previous slide, I just labeled a few different things. First, at the top left corner of the screen, we have the search icon, where you can search for different items to add to your shopping list. Under the search bar, there are some blue labeled buttons. Tapping on the labeled box, you can view the Kroger ePay, past purchases, schedule vaccine appointments, view your fuel point balance, and order prescriptions. You can scroll horizontally on these buttons to view more options. Next, we will look at the hotbar of the Kroger app, which is mostly always located at the bottom of the screen. You will notice the last icon on the right side of the hotbar will change depending on whether you selected to shop in-store or order pickup or delivery. If you are ordering pickup or delivery, the icon will be a cart, which you can tap to go through the final steps of purchasing your groceries and scheduling when your groceries will be delivered or picked up. If you are shopping in-store, this icon will be a list. This icon allows you to add items to your grocery list and check off items while you are shopping in the store. Now that we have talked about the icons on the far right, let's talk about the icon starting on the very left side of the hotbar. On the bottom left corner of the screen, we can see the home icon, which we just looked at in the previous few slides. Then, next to the home icon to the right is the weekly ad. Tap on this icon will allow you to see what products are on sale. In the middle is the savings icon. This is the icon we will tap on to view and clip coupons. Then, to the right of the savings icon is the shop icon, which allows us to view products that are available in the store to add to our grocery list or cart. Next, we will take a look at identifying our local grocery store on the app. This is important for a few reasons. First, it ensures that the app is showing you an accurate pricing of their products, available coupons, and the correct weekly ad based off of your location. For example, pricing in Alaska is very different than it would be in Colorado. Also, by identifying which store we are shopping at, we can see what items are available and what aisle number they are located in. This allows us to select whether we plan on shopping in-store or ordering grocery pickup or delivery as well. First, on the home screen, tap on the Kroger app icon. Next, tap on the store or car button located at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the zip code located at the top right corner. Then tap search to display the keyboard and type in your zip code. I actually recommend typing in the zip code of the store you regularly shop at, as opposed to where you live, because you might live in between 2 Kroger stores and the app might choose the wrong one. Next, tap on the store and the way you would like to shop. Sometimes on the app, it won't show you an option to shop in store. If this is the case, select Delivery or Ship, then tap on the Car or Store button located at the top left corner of the screen like before. Then the app should display the ability to select In-Store. Most of the time, once you select how and where you shop, you shouldn't have to change this again unless you've traveled somewhere else and used the Kroger app in that new area. Next, we will take a look at the weekly ad. This is a virtual copy of what you would normally get in the mail as a physical copy. So instead of flipping through pages to see what items are on sale, we're scrolling. First, tap on Weekly Ads located at the bottom of the screen on the hotbar. To scroll through all the sales, drag a finger from the middle to the top of the screen. As you scroll downwards, you will see different deals and coupons. Tap on Shop Deal to see more information about the deal or sale of a specific product. After tapping on the Shop Deal button, the Kroger app will provide a button to add the product to your shopping list or cart. Sometimes you will also see coupons in the weekly ad as well. Under the item, tap on Clip to apply the coupon at checkout. Next, we will learn how to clip coupons and apply those coupons to our purchase at checkout. First, tap on Savings located at the bottom middle of the screen. Then tap on View All Coupons located at the right side of the screen. Now we can view all the coupons in the weekly ad. Scroll vertically to view all the coupons by dragging a finger from the middle to the top of the screen. To view more information about the coupon, tap on Shop All Items to see all eligible items for the coupon. Once you've found a coupon you would like to use, tap on the blue Clip button. Once you have clipped a coupon, the blue Clip button will be replaced with a gray Unclip button if you wish to not use the coupon. You do not necessarily have to unclip a coupon if you do not plan to use it. I often clip a bunch of coupons regardless if I plan to buy the item or not. This is something you can do at home before you go to the grocery store. Upon checkout, type in your Alt ID that is linked to your Kroger online account on the checkout screen or PIN pad prior to paying. It doesn't matter when you do this, whether it is before groceries are scanned or after they are scanned. As long as you type in your Alt ID phone number, your coupons will be applied. Your phone number is what links you to your Kroger app coupons. If you do not type in the right phone number, you will not see the coupons you clipped on your app to your purchase. This is the problem most people have when using the app. I often come across some people type in their spouse's phone number or a landline phone number, but these phone numbers are not linked to their account with their clipped coupons. Some people also try to scan their physical shopper's card, but their shopper's card is also not linked to their online account. The easiest way to apply your clipped coupons from the app is to use your phone number. I will show you how to find which phone number to type in later in this video. Another thing to know is that you might not see your coupons applied to your purchase until after you pay and receive the receipt. Before I show you how to find your Alt ID, another way to clip coupons is by scanning the QR code coupon in the store. A QR code is a pixelated black and white square under the words Scan and Save More on the picture to the right. To do this, tap on the camera app icon on the home screen. Then focus the camera on the QR code, then a yellow button will appear. Tap on the yellow button. This will bring up the coupon on the app for you to clip. Next, we will take a look at how to find your Alt ID number so you know what number to type in at checkout. Starting at the homepage of the Kroger app, tap on the menu icon located at the top right corner. The menu icon is characterized by 3 stacked horizontal lines. Next, tap on Your Account. Then tap View Profile located near the bottom left-hand side of the screen. The phone number shown on the screen is the number you need to type in on the keypad at checkout to apply the clipped coupons to your purchase. There is another method you can use to apply your coupons at checkout. This method utilizes your virtual Shoppers Plus card that can be found on the app. This method is useful as long as you always have your phone with you or if using your Alt ID number isn't working for you. First, tap on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Plus Card. Then scan the barcode at checkout to apply clipped coupons to your purchase. Next, we will look at how to create a shopping list on the app. This is a useful tool if you like to know how much you're expected to spend at the grocery store. You don't have to use this tool, of course, especially if you enjoy writing down your list. It's just another feature of the app. First, tap on List located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Remember, this icon will only be present if you have selected you are shopping in store at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the plus icon located at the top right corner to create a new list. Then type in the name of the list and tap Create List. Next, tap on View List to add items. Tap the words Search or Scan Items located at the top of the screen to display the keyboard. Then type in the name of the item and tap the Search or Enter key. Then tap the blue Save to List button next to the product you would like to add to your grocery list. You can scroll vertically to view more products. Some items will have a yellow banner underneath it. This banner means there is a coupon available for the product. If you would like to add the coupon, tap on the empty checkbox. You can also tap on the words View Offer on the right side to see more details about the coupon. To add more items, tap on the circled X at the top of the screen and repeat the steps to search for a product and add it to your list. Once you are done adding items, tap on Done, located at the top right corner of the screen. Another thing to know is that you can add more of the same item by tapping on the plus icon located to the right of the product after you saved it to your list. To view your list in the future, tap on List located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the blue View List button under the list you would like to see. Here is a diagram of different features when we view a list. At the top of the screen, we have a search bar where we can add more items to our list. You can see each product is organized by aisle. For every product we have added, there will be a checkbox. You can tap on the checkbox as a way to cross off items as you place items in your cart at the grocery store. We can also view our estimated total at the bottom of the screen. To delete the list or remove all items on the list, tap on the settings or cog icon located at the top right corner of the screen. To add more of a specific item, tap on the down button located to the right of the product. To delete items off your list, drag a finger horizontally to the right on the item. Then tap on the word Remove. We covered a ton of features on the Kroger app. If you would like to see written instructions, tap on the link below. Tapping on the link will bring you to the Tech Skills for Older Adults website created by Colorado State University's Center for Healthy Aging, where you can view the instructional guide as well as more video tutorials. I hope this video was helpful for learning how to use the Kroger app.